The TensorFlow community is a vibrant and active ecosystem of developers, researchers, students, and enthusiasts who come together to share knowledge, collaborate on projects, and support each other in learning and using TensorFlow. Here's an overview of TensorFlow community and forums. The TensorFlow Forum is the official TensorFlow Forum is dedicated platform for users to ask questions, share insights, and engage in discussions related to TensorFlow and machine learning. It's monitored by TensorFlow team members and experienced community members. TensorFlow's GitHub Repository serves as a central hub for contributing code, reporting issues, and discussing development topics related to TensorFlow and its ecosystem projects. Users can participate in discussions, submit pull requests, and contribute to open source projects. The TensorFlow LinkedIn group provides a platform for professionals to connect, share resources, and discuss TensorFlow related topics. It's a great place for networking and staying updated on TensorFlow news and development. TensorFlow meetups are community organized events where TensorFlow enthusiasts gather to share knowledge, showcase projects, and network with peers. These meetups are held worldwide and cover a wide range of topics related to TensorFlow and machine learning. What are the benefits of participating in TensorFlow community? First is knowledge sharing. The TensorFlow community provides a platform for users to share their knowledge, experiences, and best practices in using TensorFlow for various machine learning tasks. The support and collaboration. Community members offer support and guidance to fellow users by answering questions, troubleshooting issues, and collaborating on projects. For networking, engaging with TensorFlow community allows users to connect with like-minded individuals, form professional relationships, and collaborate on research, projects, and initiatives. Learning opportunities. Community forums, meetups, and events offer valuable learning opportunities through tutorials, workshops, presentations, and discussions on TensorFlow-related topics. Contributing to open source. Users can contribute to the TensorFlow ecosystem by submitting bug fixes, enhancements, documentation improvements, and new features to TensorFlow's GitHub repository. What are the tips for engaging in TensorFlow community? You have to be respectful, treat your fellow community members with respect, kindness, and professionalism in all interactions. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask questions on the forum or in other community platforms if you need help or clarification on TensorFlow related topics. Contribute back. Share your knowledge, expertise, and contributions with the community by answering questions, providing feedback, and contributing to open source projects. Stay updated. Keep up to date with TensorFlow news, announcements, events, and releases by following official channels, blogs, and social media accounts. How to contribute to the TensorFlow community? You can contribute by code. Contribute to TensorFlow's open source projects by submitting pull requests, addressing issues, and participating in code reviews. You can write tutorials and guides. Something that I'm doing right now is share your TensorFlow knowledge and expertise by writing tutorials, guides, and blog posts for the community. You can organize events. Organize TensorFlow meetups, workshops, or hackathons in your local area to bring together TensorFlow enthusiasts and foster collaboration and learning. By actively participating in the TensorFlow community and forums, users can enhance their learning experience, receive support, and contribute to the growth and development of the TensorFlow ecosystem.